Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this amazing video we will transform bitten nails and we will apply extensions on these nails. We will do long cat claw nails. I will show you all secrets, how to do that, how to do it very easy and quickly. After pushing cuticles, I'm using the flame drill bit. You should work with the forward speed from the center to the left side and with the reverse speed to the opposite side, from the center to the right side. I'm using the sculpting mix gel from shapeofnail.com. And you can use it as a base gel and as the sculpting builder cut. As you can see, the layer is very thin. We are just making motions like washing the floor with a mop. As you can see, we should apply not only one layer. We place the first layer with the 1mm cure within LED lamp. After we apply the second layer with 1mm, cure it again with the LED lamp, and step by step we apply a lot of layers, because some guys who want to sculpt the nail using the one layer, you not with this gel, because this gel is has medium thickness, and you know, it's very fast to work with it. You don't have to play with this ball too much for too long. As you can see, we have sculpted nails, and we are removing the Cuticle layer. Okay guys, so you see me working with the flat brush. I'm applying the one stroke painting, and this will be beautiful compositions of lily flowers. Okay, and as you see, we have beautiful nail design with lily flowers. This nail design is very easy to draw. All tools and products you can order on shapeofnail.com. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.